Hi everyone! Today we'll be looking at how to clear cookies from the Google Chrome browser. To begin, open up Chrome. Click on the menu in the top right-hand corner and select Settings. On the Settings page, click on the Advanced drop-down and select Privacy and Security. Next, you'll want to select Clear Browsing Data from the list. A pop-up window will appear, and here you'll have the option of deleting various types of browser data. If you want to know more about how to clear your cache, visit our how-to article on the topic. The link is in the info box below. Since we only want to clear cookies, make sure that the correct box is selected. Here, you also have the option of selecting a time range, but bear in mind that this process might take some time depending on the amount of data you're deleting. Now that you've selected a time range, click on Clear Data. And that's it. You've deleted your cookies. If you want to know more about cookies, check out our digital guide. You'll find a link in the info box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.